Hello, my name is Eugene Bae. I'm a sales director of Inotouch technology located in Korea. And today I'm gonna introduce briefly about my company. We started our business in year 2000. Start with touch screen module. We make the sensors, and then we providing it worldwide for 20 years. And recently, it's been 3 years. We start building this transparent LED module, which is adhesive film type of LED display. It's a standard size of module is 480 millimeter by 480 millimeter, and the pitch is 16 millimeter, and then this is a standard size, and then you can add up as much as possible to like reach the what can I say? Uh, you can add up as much as you want, and then you can play the video, any video file using our software. This data transfer is using the Wi-Fi. It's very simple and easy solution. And then after you use it, if you take off the film, then it won't leave any glue. So and then what can I say? The installation is very cheap and also it's very efficient. So I hope you like it. And we are coming with a better product every year. So please find us like ISE next year probably. Then that'll be it. Thank you.